a free iPod Touch 2nd Gen. Hey there guys, it's Solar from Pixie and today I will be showing you guys exactly what the title says, giving away a free iPod Touch 2nd generation. And this is 100% legit free, and I'll even pay for the shipping, so that's good. So you guys have to pay anything, and all I ask for you guys is something in return. So let's just get right to it. So yeah, it's pretty simple, and let's go. Okay, so getting back to the rules, this is basically a very simple giveaway, and there's not much I ask you guys. There's some videos that say please rate, comment, subscribe, favorite, like, and it's ridiculous. And they also tell you to subscribe to like some weird service. But here at Pixie Touch, want to keep everything very simple and down to earth and to the point. So today, all I want to ask you guys is first subscribe. That's a given. It always happens, and it basically gives your channel more popularity. I'm kind of confessing this to you guys. So and basically, what is subscribing? Every time I release a new video, you guys will find out about it. Most videos didn't even explain that to you. All they say is subscribe, and it's basically giving them some credit. Of course, it makes your account more popular. That's some of the reasons why some people join YouTube. But another reason is that people get to actually get updated on their YouTube homepage, not on their channel, but on their homepage when they first log in, of all the subscribers, all the subscriptions, new videos. So check those out and be able to view the videos without having to actually go to the channel and then finding out which ones you haven't seen. So please, first of all, subscribe. Number 2, you guys will have to, this is the final rule, you have to click the link in the description. It's lix.in, and it's a lix.in link, and basically it's gonna take you to a form. I created that form. All you have to do is enter 4 boxes, and it becomes you submit all your data and be able to become a Lockers member. Now, Lockers is a elite website. You only invites accepted, so you cannot just join or register. You have to get an invitation. So I'm giving those away right now. And basically, if you guys do the math, you get 2 points just for logging in. Refreshing does not work, but still, you get to log in, get 2 points, PTZ. That's their currency at Lockers. You get 2 points for answering a daily questions, which are daily questions they post daily. Pretty fun. And you also get to invite other people, and you get points for that too. So let's say if you don't want to invite someone every day, because you're gonna have about 365 in a year, which is good, you get points for it. But you get 4 points in 1 day, standard, and then you multiply that by 365 days, and you come up with a total of 1,460 points. That's enough to get an HD TV, believe it or not, or iMac. And when you become a Z-lister, when you get 20 invites, you multiply that number by 2, and you get 2,960 PTZ. That's enough to get like 3 Xboxes or PS3s, about let's see here, 29 games, and a lot of other stuff. They have a lot of cool stuff: skateboards, snowboards, all that stuff. So it's pretty cool. So just submit your form on the lix.in website and accept the confirmation, which will be given to you very soon. After, it's not immediate, but you will get it. And just accept it, sign up as your account, and boom, you guys got to it. And they just released Shop, which decreases points on Amazon websites, which is pretty cool. And that's all I ask you guys. Subscribe and the link just to submit the form. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Solar from Pixie Touch, and this is the iPod Touch 2nd generation giveaway. Please click the link on the screen and be able to watch the video I posted earlier. So that's basically it, guys. Peace out. This is Solar from Pixie Touch. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and remember, every view counts. See you guys. Bye.